Hey friends, if you wish to fix Wificx.sys failed blue screen error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next one is to run a DISM scan. The command line is DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health. Okay, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. It will initiate the DISM scan. The next solution is to reinstall wireless and network drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager. Now expand the list for network drivers. Okay, this is in alphabetical order. So right click on the MediaTek Wi-Fi one, select Update Driver and search automatically for drivers. And the wireless and network driver is actually the same thing. The last one is to roll back Windows updates just in case a recent update has caused the problem. So right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab, select Update History, and then select Uninstall Updates. Click on Uninstall and then select Uninstall once again to uninstall the update. Okay, I'll do it once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.